Hi, so I am just here to talk about my instasmile journey. So, my teeth aren't 100% bad. It's my fangs, like how crooked my teeth are, that really put me off. It's given me low confidence. It affects my self-esteem. And when I go out, I automatically think that people are looking at me. So I don't often smile. It's rare I smile for a picture, and if I do, I'm all like, I don't get my teeth out, which is strange because I used to really enjoy having my teeth out when I smiled. It's just as I've got older, things have happened until I met instasmile. So I reached out to instasmile to see if they would be willing to work with me, explained about like everything that I felt was wrong with my teeth. instasmile were really good and super efficient. They got back to me straight away. Spoke about why I was looking to get the teeth. I sent off pictures of my teeth to instasmile before I had the decision made for me, and I was lucky to have my decision accepted. So we went through the process of the teeth, like how it all works, and the Clip On Veneers, what kind of shades that I wanted and stuff like that. The whole process was completely stress-free. Like, I couldn't have asked for anything better. I do have my teeth here. I am just going to pop them in and then carry on talking about them. So I've had these. Bear with. So that is the process to clipping them on. They literally just clip onto my teeth. And I have my smile back. But yeah, anyway, so when I received the teeth, it was 2 weeks ago. I have worn them every day. I am just struggling with the lisp at the moment, which I know I'll get there. It's a process, and it's a gradual process at that. But I'm overly what's the word I'm looking for? Thankful and grateful for instasmile for the journey and for giving me the opportunity to have a set of teeth. It has worked wonders for me, and I have my confidence back. The lisp is normal because obviously your mouth isn't used to the teeth, and they don't hurt anymore. So when I first had them, just my whole mouth, gum and everything getting used to them was quite painful. Not painful, but I suppose it's like having braces. So there's a little bit of discomfort, just because my teeth and my gums are getting used to the clip-ons, and they slide in and out so easily now. I take them out at night, I brush my teeth, I use mouthwash on the teeth. I haven't conquered chewing in them yet. And I don't think that's down to the teeth. I think that's just down to me, that I'm not used to the teeth being in the mouth, if that makes sense. If you are looking to get your teeth straightened, whatever, you have stressful situations where you don't like your teeth, I would highly recommend going and speaking to instasmile. Like I've said, the process was completely stress-free and quick as well. I waited less than a month, I think, for my teeth. I think the whole process was 5 weeks. From speaking to them sending their impressions out, and then to sending my teeth off and receiving them back. So it's been a journey, and I can't wait to catch up with you all soon on how far I've got after 2 weeks. Thank you, instasmile. Bye.